Hello friend, today we are going to understand and discuss some important MCQ for BMLT, DMLT and nursing exam. Question number 87. In carcinoid tumor there is rise in levels of 5-hydroxy indole acetic acid, which option A happens to be a denatured product of serotonin, option B happens to be a denatured product of calcium, option C none. Right answer is option A. Next question. Which of the following contains serotonin which has to be avoided before collecting 24 hours urine sample for testing serotonin levels? Option A bananas, option B uniform apples, option C tomatoes, option D eggplants or avocados, option E all of the above. Right answer is option E all of the above. Next question is Next question 89. Serotonin levels in excesses of 100 mg per 24 hours are inactive of option A large carcinoid especially with metastasis, option B obsessive compulsive disorders, option C sudden infant death syndrome, option D depression. Right answer is option A. Next question. Serotonin levels between 10 mg and 100 mg per 24 hours is seen in option A hemorrhage, option B thrombosis, option C non-tropical spores, option D severe pain of sciatica or skeletal and smooth muscle spasm, option E all of the above. Right answer is option E. Next question. What is the normal reference range for cysteine in quantitative method? Option A children under 8 years 2 to 13 mg per 24 hours, option B individuals above 8 years 7 to 80 28 mg per hour. Option C A and B. Option D none. Right answer is option C. Next question. Next question 92. Cystinuria is a disease in which there is excessive urinary excretion of option A lysine, option B ornithine, option C arginine, option D cystine, option E all of the above. Right answer is option E all of the above. Next question. State following which are true. Cystinuria is a hereditary disease. Option B. Cystinuria is characterized by bladder calculi. Option C. In cystinosis, cystine is deposited in lung tissues. Option D. All of the above. Right answer is option D. All of the above. Next question 94. What is the normal reference range of uric acid in 24 hours urine sample? Option A 0.4 to 1.0 gram per 24 hours on normal diet. Option B 0.2 to 0.5 gram per 24 hours on urine free diet. Option C up to 2.0 gram per 24 hours on high urine diet. Option D all of the above. Right answer is option D all of the above. Next question 95. Uric acid formation occurs as a result of the metabolic breakdown of option A nucleic acids, option B fatty acids, option C UFA, option D MUFA. Right answer is option A. Next question. Uricosuria is found in option A gut, option B chronic myeloid leukemia, option C polycythemia vera, option D liver disease. Option E, febrile illness. Option F, toxemiasis of pregnancy. Option G, Fanconi's syndrome. Option H, all of the above. Right answer is sorry. गलत नंबर से. Right answer is 96. Right answer is H, all of the above. Next question. High uric acid concentration plus low urine pH may lead to option A, uric acid stones in the urinary tract. Option B, Fanconi's syndrome. Option C, kidney failure. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option A, uric acid stones in the urinary tract. Next question. What is the full form of VMA? Option A, vanillyl mandelic acid. Option B, vanmetanephrine acid. Option C, vanimelic acid. Option D, vanillaminar acid. Right answer is option A, Next question. Match the following reference range. First, epinephrine. Second, norepinephrine. Third, metanephrine. Fourth, normetanephrine. First, epinephrine. Right answer option D, 100 to 230 mg per 24 hours. Second, norepinephrine. Right answer option A, 100 to 230 mg per 24 hours. Third, metanephrine. Right answer option third meterefin. Right answer option B, 24 to 96 mg per 24 hours. Normetamefrin. Right answer is option C, 12 to 88 mg per 24 hours. Thank you for watching. And more important MCQ video, please subscribe the channel and like, share, comment the video.